Well, budget problems now hitting Boulder County. We have made it halfway through the week. I'm glad you're with us tonight. I'm Shannon Ogden. So this week, Boulder County announced it will eliminate dozens of positions and make cuts to programs to solve a multi-million-dollar budget shortfall. We wanted to know how that will affect those who live there. Denver 7's Claire Lavazorio talked with the county commissioner to try to get some answers. And she also listened to the concerns of a Lafayette organization worried about how cuts and how they will serve the county's most vulnerable residents.
Set up like a tiny grocery store.
350 families each week walk through the doors of Sister Carmen Community Center in Lafayette, no matter if they're in search of food or financial help. CEO Suzanne Crawford says the need is growing.
We're definitely seeing an influx of people needing our services.
And with a tight budget year looming for Boulder County.
It's a huge amount of money, and so it's going to hurt somewhere.
Crawford is concerned what that will mean for the center and the community it serves.
It's scary to think about these cuts amongst the other cuts that are happening at the federal and state level.
This week, we're learning exactly how much of a shortfall the county needs to fill. It's forcing leaders like Commissioner Ashley Stolzman to find $30 to $40 million in savings over the next 3 years. That will start with the county laying off 31 people and cutting about 60 vacant positions.
How do you prioritize what you need to cut?
It's certainly our job, and what we do each year is take very seriously prioritizing the highest priority needs for the community and trying to make sure we fund those first.
Stolzman explains flattening of local property tax revenue and cuts at the federal level add to the county's budget uncertainty.
So it's really our most vulnerable community members that will see those cuts.
Taking a closer look at the proposal for 2026. Social services could be cut by nearly $5 million.
But they're services that affect people's everyday lives, from food safety to housing assistance to rental assistance to health care.
How the shortfall will impact the services at Sister Carmen is still unknown, but the county and Crawford say community support will be the solution.
Anytime we have a disaster or a change or a crisis, it's important to check in with each other as community members.
My hope is that we all just pull together as a team and try to fill the gaps as best that we can.
A public hearing on the recommended budget is coming up on October 14th, and commissioners will adopt the budget on December 9th. In Boulder County, Claire Lavazorio, Denver 7.
At the same time, Boulder County Public Health says it's making cuts due to funding problems. In a statement, the department said it's eliminating about 30 full-time positions. Now, some staff will move into other roles, others will just be laid off. The health department operates with its own budget and receives just a little bit of funding from the county.